Alright, welcome to section 2, and I am very happy to say that this is one of my favorite sections in the entire course, because here we're going to be analyzing threat actors as well as threat intelligence. Now, as you can see from the official guide in here, it says that to make an effective security assessment, you must be able to explain strategies for both defense and attack. Your responsibilities are likely to lie principally in defending assets, but to do this, you must be able to explain the tactics, techniques, and procedures of threat actors. So basically, in other words, if you've ever read the book The Art of War by I've forgotten the author. Anyway, the Art of War, there is a quote there that says that if you know something like, if you know your enemy, then you will be able to defeat them, or something like that. Please don't judge me, okay? I've never actually read the book. I only know like some of the quotes. But the whole point here is that if you know about threat actors, if you know how they operate, if you know how they think, you will be in a much better position to be able to defeat them. So in this section, in lesson 2, we're going to cover the different types of threat actors out there, whether it's the black hat hackers, the crime syndicates, the script kiddies, or maybe even the insiders who may want to do harm to your business organization. So as you can see right here on topic 2A, we're going to explain the differences between vulnerability, threat, and risk. Very, very important actually, because these are 3 different concepts. And then of course the attributes of threat actors. We're going to talk about the hackers, script kiddies, hacktivists, state actors, insider threat actors, and so on. And then in topic 2B, this is where we're going to cover intelligence, because before you can understand the strategies of hackers and crime syndicates, you need to have some sort of intelligence about them. So how do we gather that intelligence? How do we know what they're up to? So we're going to cover things like the threat research sources, our threat intelligence providers as well, threat data feeds, and then artificial intelligence and predictive analysis. Like I said, this is one of my favorite topics in the entire curriculum, and I hope you're going to have as much fun learning as I did creating this particular section. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in.